Hey guys, how's it going? Daniel here. So today we're going to be doing some color correction on the iPhone 13 mini, but some video color correcting on the iPhone 13 mini. I bet you didn't know that you can actually do some color correcting on the iPhone 13 mini when it comes to video editing on the mini. So before we start this video, it would be really great if you guys give this video a thumbs up because it will help the video and the channel as well. So let's start. So for this video, we're going to be using an awesome app called Darkroom. Now, if you've been following this channel for a very long time, you know that Darkroom is one of my favorite photo editing apps, and they recently updated their app to support color correcting of video as well on the iPhone 13 mini. So let's open up the app, and the first thing you'll see, of course, when you open up the app is going to the library. And in the library here, you click on the badge right here, and then you choose what type of video you want to color correct. So for this video, we're going to be color correcting this video right here, and which I filmed using the iPhone 13 mini. So when you open up, of course, the video on Darkroom, this is what you'll see in the beginning here is you'll just see the video right there, and then you'll see all the stuff in the bottom below, all the icons that you can go and choose. So where we're going to go is quickly go to filters. And when you go to filters, of course, you have a ton of options to choose of different types of filters that you want. So if you want, you can actually just choose a default filter and you'll be done. So one of my favorite filters from Darkroom, of course, is the cinematic section. And in this cinematic section right here, there's some great filters that you can choose to color correct your video. And as you can see, it's already color correcting it in real time, which will save you, of course, a lot of time. And as you can see, it's handling it like a pro. The iPhone 13 mini, it's not slowing down, it's not lagging or anything like that. So that's why I really enjoy doing color correction on the iPhone 13 mini when it comes to video editing. So there's a ton, like I said, a ton of filters, and then if you want, we could actually go into a lot of detail editing inside this app. It's not just a filter that you can choose over it. You can actually do a lot of customization inside the app. So we're gonna click on the new filter right here, and then we're gonna just click. Oops. We go right there. There we go. So I've been using this app and I didn't know that I had to go there. So right here, you get to choose a lot of the customization. So we're still using the filter right here. So from here, you can choose and control the brightness of the video as well. So since this video was filmed a little bit overexposed in this room, you can actually control the brightness right here and just lower it down if you want. So which, makes it a little bit much more better as well. And then here you can control the contrast as well of the video. So as you can see, you could see the darkness a little bit right there going on. And like I said, everything is happening in real time right here when you're editing the video on the app. So, and it's handling it like a pro. So right here, and we're going to just choose a little bit of contrast right there, highlights right here. So as you can see, it's already by default, it's already trying to figure out the filter, some best settings for this filter for your video. So, but like I said, that's what I like about this application is all the editing that you could do within the app right here, right on the iPhone 13 mini. You could change it a little bit right here. You could have a little bit of fun. And as you can see, this video, of course, was filmed a little bit overexposed, so a lot of the lighting is changing, which some changes won't make sense too much. But for this video, it's a great example of what Darkroom can do, but also what the iPhone 13 mini can do when it comes to editing video. So we're going to change the white, so we can change the overexposed here, go crazy, or go low, but we're going to just go a little bit low right there to change it. We're going to change a little bit the blacks, go a little bit lower. Saturation, we're going to not go too much because I don't want to make myself look like a peach. And then go a little bit there, keep a little bit warm tone and everything, which makes sense. And we're going to go a little bit tint or purple maybe. Yeah, the purple looks nice. And this is what I really like about Darkroom is that all this customization, you can actually choose grain if you want. So if you want to make the video a little bit old style, you can add crazy amount of grain. But of course for this video, it wouldn't make too much sense to add grain to it. So we're not going to add a lot of grain to it. And then sharpness, of course, I'm going to lower it, the vignette. You can add you can add it, whatever, it's up to you. And then that's pretty much it. And then of course in shadows here, you get to control the amount of shadows. Well, we're not going to go too crazy here. But if you want, you could go a little bit crazy if you're going for that style and mode of it, then you can. Go a little bit, change color right here, have fun with it. Just play around with it here. And then here, of course, in the RGB curves here, in the levels area, you can actually control everything here. We're going to keep it like that. And then of course here you can change the background, but this is where I really like about Darkroom. If you want to do a little bit of fun customization and stuff, then you can just, you know, have a little bit of border here, you know, just keep it a little bit even, you know, so like that. If you want to upload it to Instagram or something like that, then it will have that white border, which will make it a little bit different and unique as well. And that's pretty much it. So for the editing of the application, now of course you don't need to use filters in Darkroom to edit it, but if you want, you can have filters already built in into Darkroom as well, so which help a lot of course when it comes to color correcting on your iPhone 13 mini or your video that you just filmed on your iPhone 13 mini. Then all this will be really simple, and it's super simple to use. Darkroom is not a lot of stuff, it's not a lot of complications like we see in other programs like on computers and anything like that, where it makes it a little bit harder to color correct. That's why I really like using this application. It's just how easy it is and how pretty much anybody can color correct on the iPhone 13 mini. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I did. And if you guys did enjoy this video, it would mean the world to me if you guys will hit the like button and if you'll hit the subscribe button, because that does help the video as well. And as always, I will see you guys later. Peace.